Hi guys, so welcome to my unorganized channel. My name is Maya and I bring to you a summer clothing haul. Actually, it's really spring and summer because I bought these things before quarantine but I wasn't able to wear them, so it's like they're new. Only some of them though. Like the rest of them I bought now during the summer sales here in Spain. So yeah, let's get to the video. The first thing I'm going to show you is this top, which is actually, oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. It's from Zara, that's how I say it. I usually wear it with the top underneath, like a strapless maybe top. So this is what it looks like. Ignore the pants. So cute and comfy for the summer. Very nice to either, I don't know, go out about the day or go out at night. I love the colour, it's amazing. Okay, so the next thing is, oh my god, I love this, but I've already broken it. Like, I only wore it once. And it's because I think I got a size too small. Should have gotten a size up, but yeah, oh well. It's this skirt. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this skirt. Next top is from the shop Mango, and this is really simple, cute tank top. It has lace on it. It's quite girly. I don't usually go for this kind of thing, but my style keeps changing, so yeah, I'll try it on for you. It's so hot here where I live, but I would also wear it with long white jeans probably, and a necklace like this. Okay, so next thing is, there's a couple of items that I bought with my mum. Sometimes if we like an item, both of us, we share that item. It's so pretty. It has these flower details on it and it has a silky texture to it. Me. Hola. So the next item is different from the other items I've showed you, and that's because it is just a t-shirt. It's from Quicksilver. I love wearing big t-shirts. I love being comfy. I love dressing up sometimes, but I love just wearing a t-shirt and shorts and just trainers. So yeah, I love this one. It is such a nice blue colour. It's just so comfy. I love it. I think it was something like 15 euros. Okay, so next one. This one was in the washing machine and I need a... what's the word? I know it in Spanish. Planchar? Iron it. Yes, I need a iron it. Iron. Anyway, I need to iron it. Pretty bad. I just couldn't do it for the video, I'm sorry. Anyway, it's this very cute shirt. It's from H&M. I've actually worn it out and about town once, but I thought about wearing it to the beach maybe when I bought it. So like wearing a bikini underneath and just chilling. Okay, so the next one is also a shirt, but this one is from Pull&Bear. This one's H&M, this one's Pull&Bear. And I've been looking for something like this for ages, but I didn't want to spend too much on one because I want to wear it to the beach. I found this one, which was just perfect because it was on sale. It cost me like €8, which is ridiculous. I don't know why it's so cheap. It shouldn't be so cheap, I know, but it was like, I think €25 reduced to like 7 something, 7.99 or something like that. So it's an oversized shirt, that's how it was called on the website, oversized shirt, and I bought it in a size L. I thought maybe I got it too big because most of the time when things are oversized you don't really need a size up because they're already oversized, but it turned out it was good. Last item is this dress from Zara. Again on sale. I bought it the other day. Actually I still have another item, sorry. Okay, not last item. It was €16 and I bought it for €8. So it is a print I love it. I love this print. It's so cute. It's so pretty. So now I have my last item and I'm running out of battery, so I need to finish this. It's this jacket from Zara as well. It was €30 reduced to like 20, and this is just perfect. Actually, I like this outfit. Oh, it looks nice. Anyway, I thought it would be the perfect jacket for this summer. When I go up north, it usually gets a bit chilly at night, and I kind of need jackets like this just to go out for supper or stuff like that. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I've never done anything like this. I got out of breath, but I hope everything turned out fine on camera. So if you want to follow my blog, I post things over there sometimes. Follow my Instagram, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.